In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in chats with other people on Messenger. This feature blends technology and communication seamlessly, bringing a bit of AI magic into your everyday conversations. Let's dive into this exciting process together. First, you'll want to start by opening an existing chat within Messenger. This step is fundamental. Whether you're catching up with an old friend or coordinating with a group, this feature will add a new layer to your interactions. Having the chat open and ready sets the stage for you to integrate Meta AI smoothly. Once you have your chat open, look towards the bottom where you usually type your messages. Here's where we introduce the power of Meta AI into the conversation. In the message text box, you're going to type the @ symbol. This is the key to accessing Meta AI. After you've typed @ a new option will appear for you to select Meta AI. This is the moment where the possibilities really start to unfold. With Meta AI ready to engage, you can go ahead and compose your message. Think creatively here. You might ask Meta AI a question that you're curious about, or maybe you're in the mood for a little humor and want to hear a joke. Whatever you choose to do, type your message after selecting Meta AI. The format is simple yet powerful. You're simply bringing AI capabilities right into your chat. After you've crafted your message and sent it off, the real fun begins. Meta AI will process your input and then respond. Now, this isn't just any response. It's one that's intelligently formulated by the AI to address your query or request. You'll see Meta AI's reply pop up in the chat just like any other message. This seamless integration into your conversation heightens the interaction, offering both utility and entertainment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Meta AI into your Messenger chat. This feature is not just about adding a bit of technology, it's about enhancing the way you interact, whether through useful information or a lighthearted exchange. Remember, this tool is there to enrich your Messenger experience, offering a new dimension to how you connect with others. Thank you for joining me today to explore this feature on Messenger. I hope you found the guide helpful and that you're eager to try it out in your next conversation. Whether it's for practical purposes or just to have some fun, Meta AI is a versatile addition to your chat toolkit. Enjoy experimenting and seeing how it can complement your interactions. Until next time, happy chatting.